In this video, we are going to enable Unity ads. To do this, we need to open up our Services panel. Go to Window, Services, and that's going to open up a panel next to your inspector called Services. Within here, in order to see your services, you need to select a project and an organization. So let's go ahead and select an organization. If you haven't done this, it will ask to create one, and you'll be able to do that. I'm going to apply this under my company called John's Awesome Game Company. Once I've done that, I'm going to select Create, and I'm going to enable ads. So I'm going to select ads, which will monetize our games, and I'm going to toggle it to on. Once you've done that, it's going to ask if this app is targeted to children under the age of 13. For this game, it is not, so I'm going to keep it false, and I'm going to select Continue. Once I've done that, we are then ready to add ads to our game. From here, you want to make sure that test mode is enabled. Test mode is going to allow us to simulate a Unity ad in the editor. So you want to make sure that's there, make sure that's enabled. Then select the Advanced tab. From here, you want to make sure that Enable Built-in Ads extension is also checked. From here, we're ready to go. You can save your scene, and let's go ahead and select Go to Dashboard. This is going to open a web page on the Unity website that's going to have your project name and your app. Within this page, you'll be able to actually monitor and track the performance of your ad. So here we go to monetization. We can go to reports even, ad revenue report, and you'll see here that you can check ad revenue, impressions. We can even look at things such as average daily active users, day one retention, and total revenue. So you'll be able to track and monitor your ad success. From this page as well, if we go to monetization, we can actually go to ad settings, and that's where we can get our project ID and our COPA settings. And if we go to platforms, we can then select whether we're on the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. We'll be coming back to this when we get to publishing. But if you select Google Play Store, you can create what's called ad placements. There are two types of ads by default that Unity provides us. We have a standard video ad, which is basically just going to play an ad and allows the player to skip after 5 seconds. Most commonly, this is an ad that you see when you first start up an app. And then there's a rewarded video ad. This type of placement is a rewarded video. You can't skip it, and you can track if you finish the entire video. And upon finishing the video, you can then reward the player. So this is what we're going to be working with. So once you're ready, you can go ahead and close this out. And let's save our scene again, make sure everything is good. And now that we have Unity ads activated, in the next set of videos, we're going to set up our first ad.